One of the most important decisions that you'll have to make when taking the practice exit exam is not simply writing the essay or how to write the essay, but is choosing the exam question. Before choosing a prompt, review each prompt carefully. Make sure that you understand what you're being asked in each case. If you're not certain what the exam question means, reconsider whether or not you'll answer it. You do have the option of touching bases with the proctor, of course, and perhaps that is something that you should do. But again, make sure you have a clear understanding of the exam prompt, that you understand what you are being asked to do. From there, once you've ascertained that you understand each exam question, decide which of those questions you can answer most fully and easily in the time that you have, which will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. The first essay question, unexpected events change our lives forever. Describe an unexpected event and the change it brought to your life. Compare and contrast it with the one that Rachel Harris describes in her article. Be sure to give examples from the reading and from your own experience. That essay question is asking you to compare and contrast your unexpected event with Rachel Harris's unexpected event. You had the benefit of having access to the first essay question over the long weekend. That will not be the case on exit exam day. In any case, most of you chose to answer exit exam question 1 about unexpected events. So the question asks, again, unexpected events change our lives forever. Describe an unexpected event and the change it brought to your life. Compare it and contrast it with the one that Rachel Harris describes in her article. Be sure to give examples from the reading and from your own experience. As we discussed previously, this is not an essay about your experience. This is about an essay which provides you with a prompt which asks you to address one aspect of Rachel Harris's experience, and that is the fact that the event was unexpected and changed her life. She walked away with the lesson. It's asking you to talk about your own unexpected event in that context. The second question, when faced with a serious medical problem, Rachel Harris learned the value of friendship. Have you also had an experience that showed who your true friends are? Explain and provide specific examples from the reading and from your own experience. That is a very, very different question. It's asking you about the value of friendship, right? It's asking you to talk about an experience that showed who your true friends are. Again, it doesn't need to be your own lesson, but you need to make it clear that this person, via this unexpected event, learned the value of true friendship. And one of the ways we do that is by sort of looking at who shows up versus who doesn't show up. And so that person has to come away with a clear lesson. And so if it's not your experience, you have to be able to convey to the reader that the person did in fact learn the value of friendship. And you have to be familiar enough with the details to provide concrete examples. Just as Rachel Harris talked about her experience and this unexpected event very concretely, right? She didn't talk about just unexpected events in general. She talked about a very specific event. That event is what happened when a medical injury, a previous injury that she had, came back and got worse. And it became clear she would need surgery immediately. Again, very, very specific. So she's very, very specific throughout. You have to be able to be that specific. Okay, so these are some important decisions that you're going to have to make in order to answer the exit exam question successfully.